guys, so if you're Conair Steamer, that looks like this. There's different models, but this one is the GS23. If when you press nothing comes out, the water inside the hose here is probably clogged up and it needs to be, well, primed or cleared out. And I'm going to show you an easy way to do this. Alright, so to fix this, you're going to need to go ahead and fill up the tank completely full with water. Set that aside for now. And then get a bottle of canned air. You should have one of these lying around the house. If you have any like laptops, computers, you definitely need to use this to blow the dust out every once in a while. I just bought a pack off Amazon, pretty cheap. I'll have a link in the description. If you're only going to buy one, you can head out over to Walmart. They're pretty cheap per one can. Anyways, so to fix this, since there's buildup of air, bubbles, or whatever causes it to stop working, you just need to blow it out, clear it out. So to do this, you just take the bottle of canned air. First of all, move this out of the way. Place this over this little rubber seal, make sure it's tight and flush. And then press and blow air at the same time, and you'll hear it change. And you gotta do this for a couple seconds. And that should clear it out. Then you just go ahead and reattach your tank and test, and you give it a few seconds to get all the air out, and then there you go, fully functional again. One thing you want to make sure to do though, when you're blowing the air, make sure the can is upright, because if it's at an angle, it'll do this and it'll freeze the little rubber seal. You don't want to do that. So yeah, thank you for watching. Hope this helps and have a great day.